Welcome to the CiaoTool BSC tutorial. Today, we'll guide you step by step on how to use Swap V2 on BSC for batch swap. First, open the CiaoTool official website. Click Connect Wallet in the upper right corner and choose a wallet that supports the BSC. Here, we'll use MetaMask as an example. Once connected, navigate to Swap, Swap V2, Batch Swap V2. In the input field, enter the target token address you want to trade, or select a token directly from the drop-down menu showing the tokens held in your wallet. You can quickly switch between the buy and sell tokens by clicking the Swap button. Next, select your trade amount mode. Fixed amount. Each wallet sends the same amount of tokens. Fixed remain. Each wallet keeps the same balance after trading. All balance. Each wallet sends all of its tokens. Then set the slippage. Lower slippage means a more precise price, but a higher chance of failed transactions. Higher slippage allows faster execution, but may result in a less favorable price. The GWAI fee determines transaction speed. Higher GWAI means faster transactions. Usually the default setting works well. Timeout defines the maximum waiting time for a transaction. If it exceeds this duration, the trade will fail. Next, import your transaction wallets. You can either manually enter private keys or upload a prepared private key file. Each wallet must contain a small amount of BNB to cover the gas fees for the transactions. Once all settings are confirmed, click Start Swap. The transaction speed may vary depending on network congestion, so please be patient if there's a slight delay.